Well, I think it's time to ride the TriceraTop Spin. Never rode this ride before, and I'm looking forward to trying it. It looks fun. Not a very long ride, but it's a very cool looking ride, and I love dinosaurs, so let's get to it. It's listed as a 10-minute wait, but I don't think it's going to be that long. There's practically no one here. And you have the short version of the queue line. Number 3? Okay, thank you. Looks like I'll be getting right on.
Ready? And let's go for a spin.
You can't lean over, baby. She said
No.
Ma'am, while the ride's in operation.
no. He's not on it anymore.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it. It gives us a heart attack whenever we see that.
Well, I gotta say, never rode this ride. He's practically walk on. Definitely a lot of copyright sound and music for this ride. Alright, we're next. Now they're still requiring you to wear a mask in this ride even though you're outside. So when you're in the queue line and on the ride, you still got to wear a mask.
Please seat smaller guests under the age of 7 towards the inside of the TriceraTop are in the row in front of an adult. Please make sure to buckle those seatbelts and keep them securely fastened.
Cool. Since I'm a number 3, I'm going to be right down here. Here I am, number 3. Wow, they got front seats. Oh, man, I gotta buckle up. Let's just hope they make this for big guys like me, guys. Looks like you can go up and down here. Alright, I gotta put you down for a minute, sorry.
Hey, spinners, it's Chester here, reminding you for your safety to stay seated with our seatbelt fastened good and tight as you spin. Whilst you're spinning, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and be sure to watch your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la sala.
Somehow this must go up and down for you.
Gracias.
I'll try that in a minute.
Can use their lever to fly higher or lower.
Oh, cool. So we can use
The back rows can use their lever to tilt forward or backward.
Okay, so this goes up and down, and the one behind me goes side to side. Awesome. Looks like they want little kids if you have one with you to sit on the inside than the outside. Alright. Pretty excited, guys. Whoa. This goes you up and down with this. Whoa. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Oh. Oh, I'm all the way up. I think I'll leave that. We get a great view. Right, let's try it. Let's go down. Whoa! Whoa! Let's go back up. Yay! Whoa! I think I'll stay up here. I feel like you're flying. This is awesome. Yeah. Not a very long ride, but a fun ride. Whoa! Short ride, but a fun ride. Well, number 3 car, you served me well. Till next time. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. That was awesome.